Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. Today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. But before I actually dive deep into the technicals, I want to direct your attention to the FX Street YouTube channel. If you enjoy the content that we put out, please make sure to the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. You can also follow us on Twitter at FXS Crypto. And if you like what I do, you can also follow me on Twitter at Mangyako with the 0 at the end. So back to Bitcoin, right? So it's really interesting what's happening with Bitcoin, especially since the breakout of this ascending triangle. The ascending triangle, theoretical forecasting methods suggest that there's a 21% upswing that the price is going to go through. But if you look at the volume profile for this visible range here, starting from approximately Jan 21 to the current date, right? You can see the volume point of controls are currently around here, which is 47K. That's where Bitcoin is currently hovering. And below this, we have another volume point of control of roughly 42,093. Beyond this, we have another one at 38K. So these are important levels of support and where I believe the price is going to face some sort of resistance or support depending on where it's going to go. So for now, I believe since the volume point of control also coincides with this high volume node over here, and on top of that, we have the 200-day moving average coming in here. So this level here at roughly 47K, 47.1K, 47.2K is going to be a tough level to crack. But once we conquer this, assuming we get a weekly close above that, then there's a good chance the price is going to continue going higher. And the next level of resistance would be somewhere around 57.2K, which is the next volume point of control or the next high level node. So for now, everything is dependent on Bitcoin managing to flip the 200-day moving average, right? And if it fails to do so, then there's a good chance the price could come back down and retest the new support level here at 42,093, roughly 42.1K. Right, so you can see something like this happen. And the interesting point about this particular support is that there is a confluence between the 100-day moving average, and pretty soon we're going to have a confluence of the 50-day moving average as well. So right now, if I were to guess, the price is going to trade between 48K, 48.3K and 42.1K. This is going to be the range for the next couple of days. Yeah, so that is like the brief, but the overall summary of what I think is going to happen with Bitcoin. Apart from that, you have these two levels here, one at 35K, one at 52K. Assuming we're to weekly close above the 52K level, then I believe there's going to be it is going to kickstart a bull run because it will produce a higher high relative to the highs formed here on 8th December and 27th December. Likewise, a weekly close below 34.7K would be like an ideal start of the bear run where we could see Bitcoin head down to 30K or 29.1K to collect the liquidity formed between May and July 2021 over here. So these levels are pretty much the same. And that's my take on Bitcoin. To sum it up, I believe for the next week or so, we're going to see a lot of consolidation happen between 48.3K and 42.1K. And apart from that, yeah, nothing else. This is going to be a really good chance for traders to take a look at altcoins, because I believe altcoins are going to rally during this consolidation. And if you happen to look at yesterday's video where I talked about the possibility of an alt season, you can look at how Bitcoin dominance is position to drop a little. So with that particular video and the drop in Bitcoin dominance with the consolidation that I'm expecting over here, I think that's a perfect concoction for all season. So that pretty much sums up the analysis for Bitcoin. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.